Okay, so for my map, I did a heat map of the United States of food insecurity. So we have states that have less food insecurity than the U.S. average, near the U.S. average, and more food insecurity, so like less access to food. And so I got my data from the USDA's website, basically from this map. I just chose to make it more interactive. So I just coordinated the food insecurity below, near, and above U.S. averages with the numbers 0 for below, 1 for near, and 2 for having above U.S. average of food insecurity. So I just put the data in manually. On the infographic, it's from the USDA's website. You have the option to download the chart, and you can upload that here, but it had a lot more information than I needed for this, so I chose to just input it manually. So basically, I went in, and so like Alabama has high food insecurity, so I put it as a 2. And Alaska has moderate food insecurity, so I put it as a 1. Arizona is a 1. Arkansas is a 2 because it's high food insecurity. California is a 0 because it has really low food insecurity. And that's basically how it's done.